Hi, I'm Tim Gibson. I'm going to talk to you about power washing vinyl siding. Now, power washing vinyl siding is something you should do at least once a year to remove any mold, mildew, dirt that accumulates on your siding, particularly if you have a house that has a lot of siding on it or is primarily siding. Now, some things that we can use to clean in our power washer. They make solutions that are specifically formulated for power washer. Probably going to be a little bit more expensive than some standard things you can have around the house, but you can use any kind of mild dish liquid that you would have using around your sink, and also something else that's good to use is a bleach. Now with the pressure washer we can actually mix the bleach and the detergent directly into our reservoir here, and the power washer will do the diluting on its own. Now, most of these dishwash liquids are come in an ultra-concentrated form, so I'd probably dilute this down to probably 1 part of this to 10 parts of water. Otherwise, you might have some over-sudsing when you're trying to clean. Now, when we are pressure washing the vinyl siding, what we want to do is we want to use the low power sudsing tip, which is the black tip. So we'd pull that out of our holder and then go ahead and swap out for it. And your pressure washer comes with several tips. The lower the degree on your tip, the higher the pressure that will come out. So we can use our low pressure sudsing, and what we want to do is we want to work from the lower part of the vinyl siding. We want to work up, scrubbing any areas that we need to. Now, one thing when you're spraying your vinyl siding is that we want to make sure we don't get any water behind the vinyl siding, so we don't want to spray up, and you don't want to direct any spray into the seams of the vinyl siding. So we will suds it up and scrub any areas that we need to, and then we can come back, we can change our tips, and we can go to fan spray, and again wash from the bottom up, and then we want to rinse from the top down. So we do a thorough rinsing from the top down, and again making sure that we're spraying down. So I'm Tim Gibson, and that's how to power wash vinyl siding.